Hi guys, so now we are starting a new series, JavaScript. So we are starting from the basics. This is some basics which you should know. I mean, the introduction of JavaScript. Like JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted language with the first class function. Okay, it is also known as scripting language for the web. I mean, you can write multiple scripts on the web using JS. Okay, and many non-browser environment also uses such as Node.js, Apache, CouchDB, and Adobe Acrobat. Okay, these all use non-environment. Okay, JS is a prototype-based garbage collected dynamic language supporting multiple paradigms such as imperative, functional, and object-oriented. JavaScript is dynamic. JavaScript dynamic capabilities include runtime object constructions, variable parameter list, functions variable, dynamic script creation, object introspection, and source code recovery. Okay, JavaScript is a cross-platform object-oriented language used to make web pages interactive, having complex animation, clickable button, pop-up menu. All these things are done by JavaScript. Okay. So let's do what I can say differentiate, because see, JavaScript, the name given JavaScript because Java was a hype at that time. I'm talking about in 1995. Okay, so Java was very dominant language at that point of time. So the founder, I mean the author of the JavaScript, thought he should put a Java at first in the name, then script. Okay, is from starting on it's a scripting language. Then over the period of time it developed in many new branches like object oriented, function oriented, like that. Okay, so like that, first thing is which we see, and the second thing we are doing comparison is because the fundamentals are different in JavaScript approach and Java approach. Okay, so like object oriented, no distinction between types of object. Okay, but when we see class based object and divided into classes and instances with all inheritance through the classes hierarchy, classes and instances cannot be cannot have properties or method added dynamically. I mean, we can't do that in Java. Okay, but when you go to the JavaScript, you will see inheritance through the prototype mechanism, and properties and method can be added to any object dynamically. We can add it, but in this Java we cannot. Okay, second thing is that variable data types are not declared. I mean, dynamic typing, loosely typed. I mean, there is a reason we use TypeScript, because we face this issue, but in Java we don't. Variables data type must be declared, like string, boolean, like that. Cannot automatically write to hard disk. Okay, it cannot itself, but it could. Java could automatically write itself to the hard disk. Okay, then second is JavaScript and ECMAScript. Okay, so Emac is, both are same, to be honest. Emac, JavaScript, both are same. There's nothing more of a difference. Emac is a, what I can say, a format name of the language everyone refer to a JavaScript. It is a format how the language should be constructed and written. Okay, and the language is JavaScript, which is also ECMAScript. Both are same. It is called JavaScript formally because Oracle, there should be C. Oracle has a trademark. ECMAScript is the official standardized specification for scripting language. Okay, it is most notably JavaScript maintained by Emac International. Okay, Emac, most of the JavaScript, what I can say, format, scripting format is maintained by Emac International. Okay, it defines the syntax, types, object, core features that language like JavaScript, JScript, and ActionScript must follow to ensure cross browser compatibility and consistent behavior. Okay, then yeah, let's go to the V8 engine. V8 engine, we can say, is the compiler and the interpreter of the JS. Okay, so it's very important. Every like most of the browser are compatible with it, inbuilt with it. That's why we can learn, we can run any script or line of code of JS inside the web. V8 is a Google open source performance JavaScript WebAssembly engine written in C++. Okay, it is used in Chrome and in Node.js among others, like Bun also use it. It implement ECMAScript WebAssembly and runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux system that uses x64, IA-62 or ARM processor. Okay, V8 can be embedded into C++ application. Okay, the whole V8 engine is made on using C++. Okay, you can also see the source code. Let me show you the code. I mean, where it is. Yeah, here you can see it's written in C++. As you can see the code. You can also contribute if you want to. I mean, the code base is pretty large, but yeah, it's a good practice to learn and go deeper into the things. V8 can be embodied into any C++ application. Okay, V8 compile and execute JavaScript source code, handle memory allocation for the object. V8 also collects garbage object with no longer needs. Okay, so yeah guys, that's a basic introduction of JavaScript. Let me run a simple code by using V8 engine, which comes inbuilt in the modern browsers. Like I'm currently using Brave. In Chrome it also support Firefox. Most of the browsers support. So let me show you. Like inspect. Let's write something like remove it. Console.log hello world. Okay, see, it's compiling the code. You can see it. I mean, yeah guys, so yeah, that's it for the intro. I think that's sufficient to know. In the future we will study more about it, all the things which we have discussed in this intro lecture. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply. Thank you for watching.